the years, it has become really popular. We have had hundreds of patients, clients visiting us, and this is our best and most favorite event of the year. It is an event as an appreciation for our clientele. It is our appreciation to show you how much we love you and what we have in store for you. Every year we develop new protocols. Every year we train ourselves several times a year to get the best, the most up-to-date protocols, the best treatments, the best new creams and treatment regimens for everyone, so we can have the best skin. We all have the same problem, right? It happens to us here who work here at Alta Vista Dermatology. Our skin changes over time, so we develop new spots, we develop new red marks on the face, our skin start to sag, we have less and less collagen. We all have the same problem. But what we want to do here is to help you to find the best thing for you. And this event is and was created for that. We want to show you that it is possible that your skin look again amazing and glowing. Less spots on the skin, less red marks on the skin, less sagging, less lines, more tight. And it can be done now, not just on the face, but it can also be done on our neck, on our hands, and on our body. We have so many new things to show you, and this is the event for that, to check it out for yourselves. With our demonstrations, we actually will show you how well tolerated these procedures are. Not scary, nothing woo-woo about it, but it is actually the real deal. So come and see it for yourself. Now, the benefit of this evening is that you can actually freely talk to our aesthetic providers. You can make an appointment, but you don't have to. You can just walk up to us and ask us about questions you have about your personalized regimens, and we can help you to create that for you. You don't need an appointment. We can create that right that evening, and you can sign up for the procedures, get the products on a discounted price. There is no better event to get your feet wet. Now, how about bringing a friend? How about bringing your special person in your life? It can be a woman or a man. Actually, we have things not only just for us ladies and girls, but we have actually for guys and men. In our office, we have products and procedures that would help with their skin too. So don't think that this is a girls only place. It is actually girls and guys. Have a nice evening together. Enjoy our appetizers, enjoy some beverages, and learn about the latest and greatest, the most up-to-date technologies in the aesthetic world. It cannot get easier than that. Don't want to miss this.